The word reflection is derived from words meaning a surface that throws back heat or light. It eventually evolved to refer to a remark made by turning back your thought onto a subject, which is why today we generally use the word reflection to refer to serious thought or consideration. It's often said experience is the best teacher. But when we don't take time to look back on these experiences for reflection, we risk failing to learn from them, stunting our growth and opportunities. And yet, when you do engage in reflection, you become empowered to integrate the new and the known, encouraged with the best chance for improved performance, productivity, and opportunities. The question becomes, how are you integrating the new with the known through thoughtful reflection?